Morning students. Today I will continue quadratic equation exercise 6.2. Few questions I have told you already. Today I will start from question number 7. So let us see. Firstly, question number 7. It is given x into x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 72. It is not a quadratic equation, but we will make it quadratic by simplification. How we can simplify it? So we will take x and x plus 5 together. X into x plus 5 and then x plus 2, x plus 3 is equal to 72. Why we are doing like this? We see that in x plus 2 and x plus 3, constant term is 2 and 3. If we add, it will come 5. 2 plus 3, 5. See here constant term is 5, but here no constant term. No constant term means we can write like this, x plus 0. So 0 plus 5, again we will get 5. So when we will take these two brackets, sum of constant term is 5. And the last two bracket, again sum of constant term is 5. That's why we have to take x and x plus 5 together and x plus 2 into x plus 3 together. Now we will multiply it, x into x plus 5, and multiply these two. So x into x, x square plus 5x. Multiply last two bracket, x into x, x square plus 3x, 2 into x, 2x plus 2 3 are 6 is equal to 70. X square plus 5x, x square 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 6 is equal to 70. X square plus 5x in the first bracket, x square plus 5x also comes in the second. So we will suppose x square plus 5x is equal to other variable y. So let x square plus 5x is equal to y. So put here y into y plus 6. So therefore we will get y, x square plus 5x is y plus 6 is equal to 72. Open this bracket. So y into y square plus 6y, and transpose 72 left side, minus 72 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in the variable y. So we can solve it either by using formula or by factorization. So do it by factorization. 12 6 are 72, 12 minus 6 will come 6. So y square plus 12y minus 6y minus 72 is equal to 0. Make pair. What is common in the first pair? Y common. Y plus 12 minus 6 common in the next pair. Y plus 12 is equal to 0. Y plus 12 common in both. In next bracket, y minus 6 is equal to 0. So either y plus 12 0 or y minus 6 0. So this implies either y plus 12 is equal to 0 or y minus 6 is equal to 0. So it will give y is equal to minus 12, and from here we will get y is equal to 6. So we are getting two values of y because it is a quadratic equation in y. Now we will put the value of, we have to solve for x, not for y. Now we will put the value of y, x square plus 5x here. So taking y is equal to minus 12. Y is x square plus 5x is equal to minus 12. x square plus 5x transpose it plus 12 is equal to 0. X square plus 5x and transpose minus 12 left side, x square plus 5x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now solve it for x. So use formula x is equal to minus b. So minus 5 plus minus under root b square 5 square minus 4 AC A is 1 and C is 12 by 2A 2 into 1 minus 5 plus minus 5 square is 25 minus 12 4 is 48 by 2. So x is equal to minus 5 plus minus 25 minus 48 subtract minus 8 minus 5 3 4 minus 2 2 minus 23 by 2. We can write minus 5 plus minus root 23 region I is equal to root minus 1. So minus 5 plus minus root 23 by 2. So we are getting two values here, minus 5 plus root 23 by 2 and minus 5 minus root 23 by 2. Both are complex root. Both are complex root because I is present here. Next time we will take y is equal to 6. So taking y is equal to 6. Taking y is equal to 6. What is the value of y? X square plus 5x. X square plus 5x is equal to 6. X square plus 5x transpose 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now factorize it. 6 1 is 6, 6 minus 1 5. 6x minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Make pair. X common, x plus 6 minus 1 common, x plus 6. X plus 6 common in both, x minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Again we will write either x plus 6 0 or x minus 1 0. So either x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. It will give x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 1. These two are real roots and these two are complex root. So we got 4 values of x. We got 4 values of x because it was the equation of degree 4. So 2 roots are real and 2 roots are complex. It was question number 7. Now we will see question number 10. See question number 10. X square plus x minus 6, x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 24. If we multiply both brackets, we will get an equation in x of degree 4. Because x square into x square, it will come x to the power 4. It means what? If we will solve this equation, we will get 4 values of x. Why 4 values of x? Because maximum power of x will come 4 if we multiply both the equation. So we have to find those 4 values of x. How we can find it? Firstly, factorize these two brackets. So x square plus x minus 6. Factorize it. How we can factorize? We can write x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. First pair, second pair, x common, x plus 3 minus 2 common, x plus 3. X plus 3 common in both, x minus 2. So we can write here x plus 3 into x minus 2. Factorization of the first bracket. Now factorize the second one. X square minus 3x minus 4. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 minus 1 3. X square minus 4x plus x minus 4. Take x common, it will be x minus 4 plus 1 common, x minus 4. X minus 4 common in both, x plus 1. So here we will write x minus 4, x plus 1 is equal to 24. So we have 4 linear factor. Now we will take 2 linear factor together to multiply. So which 2 linear factor we have to take together? So see here, plus 3 and minus 4. If we add 3 and minus 4, it will come minus 1. And minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1, it will come minus 1. So we will take x minus 2 and x plus 1 together, these two. So x minus 2 and x plus 1, take it together. If we add the constant term minus 2 plus 1, it will come minus 1. And here also plus 3 minus 4 minus 1. And we will take this one together. X plus 3, x plus 3, x minus 4 is equal to 24. Now multiply these two brackets and these two brackets. So x square plus x minus 2x minus 2. X into x, x square, x into 1, x minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 2 into plus 1 minus 2. Multiply last two bracket, x into x, x square, x into minus 4 minus 4x plus 3x and 3 into minus 4 minus 12. X square, x minus 2x, it will minus x, minus 2. X square minus 4x plus 3x minus x minus 12 is equal to 24. See in both the bracket, x square minus x terms is present. X square minus x here and x square minus x in the second bracket. We will suppose it is equal to y. So let x square minus x is equal to y. So what we can write here? Y minus 2, y minus 12 is equal to 24. Multiply these two brackets. Y into y, y square, y into minus 12, minus 12y, minus 2y, minus into minus plus, 12 to the 24 is equal to 24. We can cancel 24 from both the sides. So what we will get? We will get y square minus 12y minus 2y minus 14y is equal to 0. Minus 12 minus 2 minus 14y, y square minus 14y is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in y. So factorize it to solve for y. Take y common, take y common. We will get y into y minus 14 is equal to 0. So either y is equal to 0 or y minus 14 0. So we will get y is equal to 14. Firstly, take y is equal to 0. Taking y is equal to 0. And what is the value of y? X square minus x. X square minus x is equal to 0. X common, x minus 1 0. Again we can write either x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Both are real roots. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Next time we will take y is equal to 14. So take y is equal to 14. Taking y is equal to 14. What is y? X square minus x. So x square minus x is equal to 14. X square minus x transpose 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. We cannot factorize it. So we can use here formula, Sridharacharya formula to find x. So x is equal to minus b. Minus b means b is what? Coefficient of x. So minus b is minus 1 plus minus under root b square minus 1 square minus 4 AC. A is 1 and C is minus 14. C is minus 14 by 2A, 2 into 1. Here A is 1, B is minus 1, C is minus 14. And formula minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC upon 2A. Simplify it. Minus into minus plus 1 plus minus minus 1 square 1 minus into minus plus 14 into 4 56 by 2. So 1 plus minus 56 plus 1 57 by 2. So we are getting two values from here, 1 plus under root 57 by 2, 1 minus root 57 by 2. And other two values 0 and 1. So in this way we are getting four values of x. I hope that it is clear to you. Now we will see question number 11. See question number 11, first part. Root x upon 1 minus x plus under root 1 minus x by x is equal to 13 by 6. It is not a quadratic equation, but we can make it quadratic. So how we can make it quadratic? Let us suppose, let root x upon 1 minus x is equal to y. Let the first term be y, x upon under root 1 minus x. So therefore, what will be under root 1 minus x by x? It will be 1 upon y, reciprocal of y. Under root 1 minus x upon x, so it will be 1 upon y. So put here, it is y plus 1 upon y is equal to 13 by 6. Add it, y into y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 13 by 6. Cross multiply. 6y square plus 6 is equal to 13y. 6y square transpose 13y minus 13y plus 6 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in y. So substituting under root x upon 1 minus x is equal to y, we are getting a quadratic equation in y. Now we will solve it by factorization. So 6 into 6, 36. 9 4 ja 36. 9 plus 4, 30. 6y square minus 9y minus 4y plus 6 is equal to minus 9 minus 4 minus 30. Make pair and take common. What is common? 3y common. So it is 2y minus 3 minus 2 common. So it is 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. 2y minus 3, 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Either first bracket 0 or second bracket 0. So either 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3y minus 2 is equal to 0, we will get y is equal to 3 by 2 and y is equal to 2 by 3. Y is equal to 3 by 2 and y is equal to 2 by 3. One time we will take y is equal to 3 by 2, next time y is equal to 2 by 3. So taking y is equal to 3 by 2. Right, taking y is equal to 3 by 2. Put the value of y. Value of y under root x upon 1 minus x is equal to 3 by 2. Squaring on both sides. X upon 1 minus x, 3 square 9, 2 square 4. On squaring. Cross multiply. 4x is equal to 9 minus 9x. Transpose one side. 4x plus 9x is equal to 9. 13x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 by 30. X is equal to 9 by 13. Next time we will take y is equal to 2 by 3. Taking y is equal to 2 by 3. What is y? Under root x upon 1 minus x is equal to 2 by 3. Again squaring. So we will get x upon 1 minus x is 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Cross multiply. 9 into x, 9x. 4 minus 4x. 9x plus 4x is equal to 4. 13x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 13. So one value is 9 by 13, other value is 4 by 13. It was question number 11. We will see some more question. See question number 14 first. Root 3x square minus 4x plus 34 minus under root 3x square minus 4x minus 11 is equal to 5. 3x square minus 4x present in both. We will suppose it is equal to y. Right. Let 3x square minus 4x is equal to y. So we will write here y plus 34 minus y minus 11 is equal to 5. Transpose the second term right side. Y plus 34 is equal to 5 plus root y minus 11. Squaring on both sides. So y plus 34. Here we will use a plus b whole square. This is a, this is b. 25 plus 2ab, 2 into 5. On squaring. So left side when we will take the square, we will remove the sign of the root. Right side we will use a plus b whole square formula. So a square 25, b square y minus 11, 2ab 2 into 5 into root y minus 11. Y plus 34, 25 minus 11, 14 plus y plus 2 5 are 10, y minus 11. Y cancel with y. 34 transpose 14, 10 y minus 11. 34 minus 14, 20 y minus 11. 10 2 are 20. Again squaring. So 4 is equal to root y minus 11. It will become y minus 11. Again squaring. So 2 square is 4. Root y minus 11 whole square is y minus 11. transpose 11 left side. What will be y? 11 plus 4, 15. So y is 15 and value of y is 3x square minus 4x. So y is equal to 15. Put the value of y. 3x square minus 4x is equal to 15. 3x square minus 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. Factorize it. 15 3 is 45, 9 5 is 45. 3x square minus 9x plus 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. Make pair. 3x common, x minus 3 plus 5 common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 common in both. 3x plus 5 is equal to. So we can write either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. We will get x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 5 by 3. So solution is 3 and minus 5 by 3. It was question number 14, first part. We will see some more questions. See question number 15. 12 plus 9 under root x minus 1 into 3x plus 2 is equal to 3x square minus x. We have to solve for x. It is not a quadratic, but we can make it quadratic. So see how we can make. So 12 plus 9, we have to write it in the standard form of quadratic equation. It is not given in the standard form. So multiply these two brackets. X into 3x, 3x square, x into 2, 2x, minus 1 into 3x, minus 3x, minus 1 into plus 2, minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus 12 plus 9 under root 3x square, 2x minus 3x minus x minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus x. 3x square minus x, 3x square minus x, we will suppose it is equal to y. So let 3x square minus x is equal to y. So we can write 12 plus 9 under root y minus 2 is equal to 3x square minus x is 9 under root y minus 2 transpose 12 right side y minus 12. Now squaring. So when we take square, 9 square is 81. Y minus 2 square, root y minus 2 square, it will be only y minus 2. And the right side a minus b whole square. So y square plus b square 144 minus 2ab. So minus 24y. A square, y square, b square 144, 12 square. Minus 2ab, 12 into 2, 24y. Open the bracket. 81y minus 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. Y square minus 24y plus 144. Transpose the left terms in the left side to right side. Y square minus 24y plus 144 minus 81y plus 162 is equal to 0. 81y transpose right side minus 81y minus 162, 162. So y square minus 24y minus 81y. 4 plus 1 5, 8 plus 2 10 minus 105y. minus 105y. 144 plus 162. Add it. 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 6 10. 112 plus 1 306 is equal to 0. 306 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize it. It is a quadratic equation in y. So factorize 306. 2 1 5 3. 3 5 ja 15. 3 1 ja 3 17. We have to bring 105. So we have to take 2 factor of 306, whose sum will come 105. So 306, 2 15, 2 3 ja 6, 3 5 ja 3 1 ja 3 17. So 306 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 17. We have to take 2 factors. So 2 into 3 into 17. 2 3 ja 6, 6 into 17. 102 into 3. 102 into 3, 306, and their sum will come 105. So y square minus 102y minus 3y plus 306 is equal to 0. Y common, y minus 102 minus 3 common, y minus 102 is equal to 0. Y minus 102 common in both. Y minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can write either y minus 102 is equal to 0 or y minus 3 is equal to 0. So we will get y is equal to 102 and y is equal to 3. What is y? Y is 3x square minus x. So one time we will take y is equal to 102 and next time y is equal to 3. So taking y is equal to 102. What is y? Y is 3x square minus x is equal to 102. Y is 3x square minus x. Transpose 102. So 3x square minus x minus 102 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize it. So 3 into 102. 3 into 102 means 17 into 6. 6 3 is 18 into 7. So we will take 2 factor 18 and 7. So 3x square minus 18x plus 17x minus 102. 3x common, x minus 6 plus 17 common, x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 6 common in both. 3x plus 17 is equal to 0. So either x minus 6 is equal to 0 or 3x plus 17 is equal to 0. We will get minus 17 by 3, and from here we will get x is equal to 6. X minus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. 3x plus 17 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 17 by 3. So after solving, we are getting here two values of x. So taking y is equal to 102, we are getting x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 17 by 3. If we take y is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 does not satisfy the equation. Y is equal to 3 does not satisfy the equation. Why it does not satisfy it? We can check. So question was 12 plus 9 under root x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to x square minus 3x. We have supposed x square minus 3xy. So y minus 2 is equal to y. So if y is equal to 3, what we will get? 12 plus 9, 3 minus 2 is equal to 3. 12 plus 9, 3 minus 2, 1 square root is 1. 12 plus 9, 21 is equal to 3, not possible. So therefore, y is equal to 3 is not possible. So only we have to take y is equal to 102. Y is equal to 3 does not satisfy this equation. So only we have to take y is equal to 102. Now I am going to take the last question of this exercise, question number 17. See the last question, 17 first. X plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 in bracket x minus 1 by x plus 4 is equal to 11. Expand it using a plus b whole square. What we will get? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Minus 2 x minus 1 by x plus 4 is equal to 11. Now suppose x minus 1 upon x is equal to y. Let x minus 1 by x is equal to y. Squaring on both sides. Squaring. We will get x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 is equal to y square. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to y square. What will be x square plus 1 by x square? Transpose minus 2 right side. Y square plus 2. So in place of x square plus 1 by x square, we will write y square plus 2. So right here, y square plus 2 again minus 2 x minus 1 upon x, it is y plus 4 is equal to 11. It is y square plus 4 minus, open the bracket, minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 11. Y square minus 2y, 4 minus 8 minus 4 is equal to 11. Y square minus 2y minus 4 minus 11 is equal to 0. Y square minus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize it. So 5 3 are 15. Minus 5y plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Make pair y common, y minus 5 plus 3 common, y minus 5 common in both. So y minus 5 into y plus 3 is equal to 0. So either y minus 5 is equal to 0 or y plus 3 is equal to 0. Right. Either y minus 5 0 or y plus 3 0. Y is equal to 5 or y is equal to minus 3. Taking y is equal to 5. What is y? Y is x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x is equal to 5. Take LCM, x square minus 1 by x is equal to 5. Now cross multiply. x square minus 1 is equal to 5x, transpose 5x, x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to, use Sridharacharya formula. So minus b, b value is minus 5, plus minus b square minus 5 square minus 4, a is 1, and it is minus 1, c is also minus 1, by 2a, a is, here a is 1, b is minus 5, c is minus 1. So x is equal to 5 minus into minus plus 5 plus minus 5 square 25 minus into minus plus 4 by 2. So x is equal to 5 plus minus root 29 by 2. 5 plus minus 25 into 4 root 29 by 2. Next time we will take y is equal to minus 3. Now taking y is equal to minus 3. So in place of 5 it will be minus 3. Minus 3. It will be minus 3x. Transpose this side. So it will become plus 3x. Now use Sridharacharya formula. What is a here? A is 1. B is 3, C is minus 1, x is equal to minus b, minus 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4a into minus 1 by 2 into 1, minus 3 plus minus 9 plus 4 by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 9 plus 4, 30 by 2. So these two are answered. So we are getting 4 values of x. So it was the last question that I have taken here. Remaining questions do yourself. Any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you class.